Welcome back, guys, to Living Life with Us. Today. Y'all already know we back with another dope video. So today is a vlog. We're gonna do a vlog today, you know what I'm saying, just to catch up with you guys, you know what I'm saying, because it's been a minute, you know what I'm saying, since we really sat there and touched base with y'all through a video, that is, you know what I'm saying. So y'all probably knowing something different, right? But you noticing different. I tried lashes for the first time today, second time in my life, right? So the first time, let me give you a quick story on that real quick. So for the first time, don't ask me how it got stuck to my eyebrow, but it did, you know what I'm saying. So I did for the second time. It was a struggle, but sis just felt like looking a little different today, you know what I'm saying. I got the hair popping. Thank y'all for showing up and showing out for the video, you know what I'm saying. Run that up. So I just want a little different look, you know what I'm saying. I'm feeling all right today. About 37 degrees, but I still feel all right. So, like I said, today's vlog, we are redoing certain parts of the house, right? So right now we're redoing our bath. We have already started painting it white, you know what I'm saying. Brighten it up, give it that clean look, because it has not been painted since we moved in like almost 5 years ago. So, you know, over time, paint turns a little yellowish or whatever, you know, old paint. We, for the first time, are repainting the house. And like I said, we're doing the bathroom right now, and it has been coming out really good, but we have to finish, which y'all will see. We have already painted the boys' room a fresh coat of white. Like I said, we're redoing their room too. So right now, the boys' room and the bathroom are the two rooms that we're redoing right now. So y'all know what y'all gotta do. I gotta keep telling what you gotta do. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Duh. Hit the notification bell so you know every time we drop a dope video. Y'all already know. And to our A1 Day ones, y'all know it ain't nothing but love. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing but love from us. And for all our newcomers and all of our newcomers, y'all already know. Welcome to the Living Life family. And with that, let me go upstairs and get the boys, because y'all know it's always the men that take forever, and it's about us the ladies, right? So let me go upstairs and get them, and then we're gonna get our coats on, and we're gonna see y'all in the car when we on the road. All right, y'all, so we are in the car, and it's about 6 in the evening. I know y'all probably like, wait, hold up. When you left, it was the daytime. Now, I know I told y'all I was gonna meet y'all in the car, right? But see, what happened was, right, the in-laws, you know what I'm saying, say, we gonna come over and chill with y'all for a little bit. So I was like, all right. I was going to the stores, but in-laws come, y'all already know. All that come to an end, you know what I'm saying? Now, the in-laws are like my second set of parents, even though those are Babe's parents. Those are like my parents too, so I really love to spend time with them and things like that. And y'all know family time is everything to us. So we back out, and like I said, 6 in the evening, Baby's getting some gas, and now we're on our way to Hobby Lobby, because Hobby Lobby is not open on Sunday. And although I was not able to paint the bathroom and stuff tonight, obviously. So like I said, we're on our way to Hobby Lobby, and like I said, fingers crossed, maybe we'll get home goods in. If not, we will try that tomorrow. But until then, I will see y'all once we get back home. I'm not even gonna say when we get back in the car. I'll see y'all when we get back home. Alright? So, y'all already know, buckle up, safety first, and with that, I'll see you at the crib. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day, the next morning, about 10 in the morning, and we are about to kick this off. You know, I told y'all last night that we gonna see y'all when we get back to the house and all that good stuff, right? So clearly it's the next day, because we were tired, y'all. We just crashed. And today we're gonna finish painting the bathroom, which I told you guys about, and I was able to, don't mind the room, it's not junky, but this is what I got from Big Lots yesterday. So initially we was gonna incorporate green, right? Like a black, gray, and green type of, like a Zen effect I wanted in there, you know what I'm saying? Be able to be in the bathroom and hear the waterfall and just, ooh, sorry. I'm gonna tell you why I can still do that, because I'm still gonna go to 5 and below. And y'all know how they be having like those little fake plants and things like that I'm gonna have in there, right? Because a while ago, we actually got these two shelves, you see, $5 from 5 and below. And these are actually pretty. We never got a chance to put these up in the bathroom because we was waiting to our paint. So now that we painting, I'm gonna put these two up today. And you see how they got like the little fake plants and stuff, you know what I'm saying? I want to decorate, I want to make it not bougie, but a modern, refreshing type of effect, you know what I'm saying? So y'all already know, let's go take the shower curtain, all that good stuff out the bathroom so we don't have anything in our way. Set up the speaker, cause you know you gotta have the tunes, you know what I'm saying? We gotta be painting and dancing. Y'all always catch me. Alright y'all, so we finished painting the bathroom and it looks so good in here. Let me show y'all. So you see it's way wider. We did the ceiling. I'll put those two back up there for now so I can find me some pictures and stuff. So like I said, I even painted the shell on the side of the light. So yeah, all the door, everything is painted and looks good. And now basically what we're about to do is put the shelves up that I told y'all about. And after we put the shelves up, we're gonna put the shower curtains and all of that stuff back up. So yeah, like I said, we have not a long day ahead of us because it's coming together, you know. But like I said, once you put up the shelves, I can move the bathroom cabinet back in here and we'll just go from there. Everything may not get done today because I'm tired, babe's tired, and we're super hungry. So like I said, just bear with us, and like I said, watch as we put this stuff up. Alright y'all, so we got the shelves up, we put our clock back up and moved the bathroom cabinet back in here. I am not trying to open this right now because everything that was in there basically is right at the door. I don't want y'all to see that mess. So I got the shower curtain liner, the new one that I showed you guys, and I'm gonna put that up, put the shower curtain up, and then we're gonna basically go from there and see where else everything else is gonna go, because like I said, we're still trying to, you know, map things out and piece things together. So let's now after 8 o'clock at night. We pretty much put everything up, you know, like the mirror and things that we were telling you guys that we were gonna do. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick glimpse. The only thing that I am missing is some pictures that I want to put that gray, yellow, and white, I believe, with like specks of black in it. So let me show you. I don't mind the bathroom. I gotta tidy it back up. The kids just took a shower and stuff for school, so yeah. But yes, y'all, this is, you know, the pattern on the shower curtain. And like I said, back there, that wall back there is where I'm gonna have the pictures and things like that, right? And also we were thinking about getting another shower head, a Bluetooth shower head actually, that they had in Walmart. So yes, that's the rug. I had actually made these myself, y'all. Dollar Tree. This was a candle holder, and I got the rhinestones and another candle holder, and I had glued that, so I made those for myself. So I got my cotton swabs in here, basically. You see the towel, and I have the Q-tips in this one. So yeah, I did that myself. That's right, that's right. I also custom these. I got these plants from, where I got it from? Five Below. And I got the rhinestones from Dollar Tree, and I put that on there. So yep, that's that. So I got my little fountain and my little Buddha. So we had 3 pictures here before, right? These 3 here before, and the 3 at the top was on the other wall in here. So basically we just added all 6 of them right there, and honestly I think they look I think they look nice. And these are the 2 shelves, like I said, also from Five Below. And I'm gonna get some little knickknacks and stuff to put on these shelves. I just threw this stuff up there, the little speaker and my face soap and some disinfectant wipes and the air freshener. I just threw it out there, and this is our clock that we had before. So pretty much that is it. That's what we did to our bathroom. Like I said, I'll get the picture, and so far it's coming together beautifully. It's so much brighter in here compared to how it was before. Like I said, it was painted when we first moved in, but you know, y'all, paint over the years, it starts to turn, especially if it's not that good paint. So I'm just glad that it's all coming together. I'm forever switching up the theme in the bathroom, but this yellow is really coming down on me, y'all. It really is. This is kind of giving me like modern vibes in a way. I was going for like a Zen theme, but this kind of giving me modern vibes. Yeah, I know, sis. Drop it down. Drop it down. Let me know what y'all think. I need some ideas. I want some feedback. I want it all. Because like I said, we trying to, by the end of the year, fingers crossed, we're going to try to have room by room in our house fixed up and just real dope in here. So that's that. We really hope that y'all enjoyed this quick little vlog with us. Little bathroom makeover and all that. Y'all know we coming back with these challenges and all of that stuff. You know, like I said, it's been a rough time, but we are slowly but surely getting it. So like I said, y'all already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Duh. And Live Life family, y'all already know we're gonna see y'all in the next dope video. And with that, y'all have a safe and blessed week. And with that, I'm gonna end it with a selfie because I'm loving this mirror. Peace.